What if the broker you're using isn't even legally registered in Canada? And what if the low spreads you're chasing are quietly draining your account in hidden fees? In this video, we'll be breaking down the best forex brokers in Canada for the year 2026, fully focusing on CIRO regulated broker, platform strengths, real cost, and who each broker is best for. Before you trust any forex broker in Canada, you need to understand who regulates them, and that is where the CIRO comes in. The Canadian Investment Regulatory Organization, CIRO, is Canada's national self-regulatory organization that regulates investment dealers that offer forex and CFDs to Canadian traders. The CIRO was formed through the amalgamation of IROC and MFDA to set and enforce compliance standards, conduct audits, investigations, and disciplinary actions, as well as protect investors through enforcement and oversight. All brokers who are regulated by the CIRO are members of the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, the CIPF. The CIPF protects customers of CIRO members who have suffered financial losses as a result of insolvency of CIRO members, which in this case are brokers, and this protection is up to $1 million. If a broker claims to be regulated in Canada, it must appear on the official CIRO register, and that will take us to how to verify a CIRO regulated broker. Now, the first thing to do to verify a CIRO regulated broker is to log on to the CIRO website, which is ciro.ca. On the menu bar, go to Office of the Investor. On the drop-down menu, click on Dealers we regulate. You can click on List of CIRO dealers by peer group, that is PDF, to get the PDF copies of all the CIRO dealers paired in groups. You can scroll down to type the name of the broker in the search bar. Now, let's search for CMC Markets, and you will see that CMC Markets is registered as an investment dealer. You can also see their address, their contact details, and their website link, which is very important. But this detail is quite limited. But to see a broader detail of CMC Markets, scroll up a little and click on Canadian Securities Administrators National Registration Search, that is CSA National Registration Search. It will take you to the National Registration Search website. Right here, we're searching for a firm, not an individual, so we'll select firm. Then use the search box to type in the broker's name, which in this case will be searching for CMC Markets. If you click on Show Detailed Search, you can type in a related firm name, jurisdiction, and the firm category. But what we'll do here is to click on Include Historical Registration Information, which will give us the historical details of the firm we're searching for. Then we click on Search. As you can see, CMC Markets Asia is no longer a registered entity under the CIRO register, but their Canada and UK entities are still registered by the CIRO. You can see the jurisdictions where they operate, as well as their registration number on the National Registration Database. So it is clear that CMC Markets has two registered entities in Canada, but the jurisdictions they cover differ. This search is something you need to do if you find any broker you wish to trade with in Canada. It's actually very simple, so you can do it yourself. Since you now know how to verify a CIRO regulated broker in Canada, let's head on to the review, beginning with the one we just searched for, which is CMC Markets. In our 2025 review of the best forex brokers in Canada, CMC Markets made it to our list, and it is here this year, 2026. Since we have seen CMC Markets regulation, let's take a quick look at CMC Markets features. For over 35 years, CMC Markets has been operating, offering over 11,000 CFDs, including indices, forex, shares, ETFs, commodities, rates, and bonds. Not to forget that you can trade option CFDs. In 2025, CMC Markets offered over 12,000 tradable instruments. So you can see that there has been a drop in the number of instruments they offer. Regardless, 11,000 is such a wide range of instruments. Just in case you need the assistance of CMC customer support, they are available to take your calls and emails. Plus, you can contact them from different countries. On their Learn Hub, regardless of whatever level you are as a trader, whether beginner, intermediate, or professional trader, they have explanatory articles you can learn from, and you can stay current with their market news and analysis. Now let's get into the details. Just like they did in 2025, they still offer two account types for retail traders, which are the standard account and the FX active account. On the standard account, you will not be charged commissions on shares and forex, but spreads start from 0.5 pips for pairs like the Euro USD pair and from 1.3 pips for the USD Canadian dollar pair. While on the FX active account, you will not be charged commission on shares, but you will be charged a fixed commission of $4.5 round turn on other instruments. Spread on this account is from 0.0 pips on 6 major forex pairs, with 25% spread discount on over 300 forex pairs. On both accounts, no minimum deposit is required. Overnight holding cost or swap fee will be charged for overnight open trades, as well as rollover fees to roll over forwards position beyond its expiry dates. CMC Market offers guaranteed stop-loss order, and this comes at a premium charge. Then, to view price data of certain share CFDs, you will be charged market data fee. And if you leave your account dormant for 1 year, you will be charged a $15 monthly account inactivity fee. As for their trading platforms, they remain the same. They have their proprietary CMC platform, which is a web-based platform with advanced charting and pattern recognition scanner. Then their mobile app, which has over 40 indicators and drawing tools. You can also trade with them on MetaTrader 4, where you can have tight spreads on over 175 instruments, free premium indicators, and expert advisors, and it is suitable for scalpers. They can also be traded on the TradingView platform. You can make deposits and withdrawals in Canadian dollars from your account through MasterCard and Visa credit cards, bank transfer, and wire transfer. But with US dollar, you can make deposits through debit cards, wire transfer, and electronic funds transfer. You will be charged currency conversion fees if you transfer from an account in foreign currency into your Canadian dollar trading account, and if you trade currencies not denominated in Canadian dollars. You will be charged a 1% currency conversion fee when you withdraw funds in a different currency. Now let's take a look at Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers, or IBKR, is another CIRO registered broker with registration number 11890. Established in 1977, IBKR offers low trading fees and provides powerful trading platforms as well as educational resources like their trading campus that is made up of a number of resources fit for both new and experienced traders. With Interactive Brokers, you can trade stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forex, bonds, as well as forecast contracts where you can make predictions on government, economic, and climate events. As for their account types, you can open an individual account, which is a personal account under your name for trading and investments. They also have the trust account, which is an account opened in the name of a trust rather than an individual. Then they also have the Registered Retirement Savings Plan, which is the RRSP, or the Spousal Retirement Savings Plan, the SRSP account, which is a registered retirement account with tax advantages or an account opened in your spouse's name. There is also the Tax-Free Saving Account, TFSA, which is an account with no tax on gains. There is also the First Home Savings Account, FHSA, which is a special registered account in Canada for first-time home buyers. That is if you're saving for your first home, and it comes with extra tax benefits. You can see that not all assets are tradable with all the accounts. Also, margin trading and stock yield enhancement program is only allowed on some accounts. You can also see the annual contribution limit and lifetime contribution limits. Note that the individual account is best suitable for active and professional traders. IBKR gives raw market prices, and they also charge commissions which are quite low. And the more you trade every month, the lower your commission rate becomes, especially in the tiered commission model, which is basically commission plus other fees. This fee changes based on the exchange rates used. While this may look like IBKR provides a structured fee table, behind the scene, their actual cost can be lower than the tiered commission model. Then, if your account is in Canadian dollars, you pay the fees in Canadian dollars no matter what currency you are buying or selling. From this table, you can see that tiered commission on shares is from 0.0005 to 0.0035 US dollar per share with no transaction fee, while that of Forex is 0.08 to 0.20 base points multiplied by trade value per order, with tight spread that is often from 0.1 pip. Forex is without fixed commission, but that of stocks and ETFs is 0.005 per share. They also have the short sale cost, which you either pay as a borrow fee or you receive as proceeds, and they are both calculated based on settled stocks positions. And this borrow fee, if it exceeds the short proceed interest earned, it may lead to negative rebate rates. IBKR combines several interest rates to create one guide rate, and they use it to calculate how much interest you earn if you keep money in your account, how much interest you pay if you borrow money or trade on margin, and it also affects how they calculate other fees related to loans or trading. And for market data, you will be charged a market data subscription fee to receive real-time market data, but you will have to subscribe to this service. But you will need a minimum of $500 to subscribe. Although, for some stocks, you can apply for waivers. Interactive Brokers also gives you access to over 600 news and research providers like Morningstar, Dow Jones, Trading Central, and many more for free for the first 30 days, after which you will need to subscribe to these news and research providers. No minimum deposit will be required on their account, and inactivity fees will not be charged. IBKR is a broker that has virtually different platforms for different traders' needs, and these platforms are up to 8. Let's take a look at them briefly. The Interactive Brokers desktop is their latest platform. You can trade with this platform on over 170 markets worldwide. This platform is best suitable for beginners and intermediate traders. The next platform is their Trader Workstation, the TWS, which is their flagship desktop platform that is designed for professional and active traders who trade multiple products. With TWS, you can customize your workspace, you can trade with over 100 other types, other tools, and algorithmic or automated trading with IBR risk navigators, model navigators, option analytics, and many other features. The IBKR mobile app is another platform of theirs that is mostly for intermediate or experienced traders. On this app, you can place trades with the same advanced tools on the IBKR desktop platform, like advanced order types and algorithmic trading with options trading tools, among other features. Another mobile trading app is the IBKR Global Trader, which is a beginner-friendly platform where you can trade 90 stocks, ETFs, forecast contracts, and options worldwide. You can invest with as little as $1 and trade in fractions with this app. Their client portal is a web-based platform that is optimized for mobile as well. With this platform, you can trade, manage account settings, and access research and reporting tools, having technical indicators like Bollinger Bands and many more. IBKR has made available their APIs, which functions as an interface that allows experienced users to automate algorithmic trading strategies and build personalized applications, and it offers the Web Excel API, Fixed API that uses VPN, and TWS API. The IBKR Forecast Trader is a web trading platform where you can trade forecast contracts, while the IBKR Impact is a mobile app that allows you to invest in companies that aligns with your values. Now, if you intend to reach their customer support, they have provided a number of mediums like email, phone call, chat, and others, which can be convenient to traders. Up next is Oanda, which is another CIRO regulated broker. Established in 1996, Oanda offers Canadian investors access to global currencies and derivative markets with transparent pricing and powerful trading tools. Clients can trade with competitive spreads with the choice of platforms that are suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. If you are a beginner, Oanda Learn is packed with beginner-friendly educational resources to improve your trading knowledge. You can also check out their webinars and events section on their website to know their forthcoming webinars and events. Now, with an Oanda account, you can place positions on a wide range of CFD instruments including Forex, indices, commodities, metals, and bonds, all on their standard account, which happens to be a beginner-friendly account, providing spread-only pricing and no minimum deposit requirements. For high-volume or professional traders, Oanda also provides an Elite Trader program, which includes tighter spreads, volume-based rebates, and access to premium tools like free VPS, monthly TradingView subscription reimbursements, API support, as well as free wire transfer, dedicated relationship manager, and other features. But to qualify as an elite trader, you will need to meet a monthly minimum trade volume requirement from $10 million. But if you want to start trading with spreads from 0 pips on Oanda, which comes with a commission of 10 Canadian dollars per 100,000 units traded, you will need to register your interest with this form right here. But to qualify, you will need to have a minimum balance of 10,000 Canadian dollars in your account. As for spreads on the standard account, it could go as high as 1.4 pips for pairs like Euro GBP and 1.6 pips for pairs like the Euro USD. And their spreads are variable spreads. Swap or financing charges may be credited or debited from your account for having open positions overnight or over time. Then admin fees may also apply on certain instruments. Monthly inactivity fees will be charged if your account is without inactivity for 12 months, but you can request a rebate of up to 3 months if you resume trading. That is, if you have left trading for up to 3 months. You will be charged a currency conversion fee whenever you trade an asset, earn a profit, incur a loss, or pay fees in a currency that does not match your account-based currency. As for their trading platforms, Oanda has their proprietary mobile app, the Oanda web browser that is integrated with TradingView charts, TradingView, and MetaTrader 4 platforms. Now, to fund and withdraw money from your trading account, you can do that with debit cards, which happens to be the fastest amongst others, then PayPal and bank wire transfer. But you may be charged when you make withdrawals via bank transfer. Note that if your PayPal is linked to a credit or debit card and not your bank account, you cannot deposit using PayPal. If you need to contact Oanda for any reason whatsoever, they can be contacted via live chats, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and email. Let's head on to Forex.com. Forex.com is a broker with over 20 years of experience in the Forex and CFD markets. It provides retail clients with access to advanced trading tools, powerful trading platforms, and global markets like Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, and metals. Forex.com is still part of the StoneX group, and they are also regulated by the CIRO. Their trading platforms include their proprietary mobile app and web trading platform that is TradingView integrated, as well as TradingView itself, then MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 that has VPN hosting mainly for MetaTrader 5. For the MetaTrader platforms, you can only trade stock CFDs, ETFs and metals on MT5 and not on MT4. And you can trade more instruments on the Forex.com proprietary platforms. What account types does Forex.com offer? They majorly have 2 account types, which are the standard account and the raw pricing account. The standard account is an account suitable for beginners. It is an all-spread account that offers a minimum spread of 1.0 pips for pairs like the Euro USD pair and over 80 Forex pairs. The raw pricing account is an account suitable for high volume traders. It offers spreads from 0 pips with $14 as round turn commission on every $100,000 traded. But to trade on the MetaTrader platforms, you will need to open a separate MetaTrader account either for MT4 or MT5. Take note that you can only trade with the standard account on the MT4 platform. The raw pricing account cannot be traded on the MT4 platform. Other fees include rollover or swap fee, which depends on the asset traded, dividend adjustments, which you will be credited when you enter a long position or you will be debited when you enter a short position on share CFDs, inactivity fee of 20 Canadian dollars monthly if there is no trading activity in your account in 12 months, back to base currency conversion fee for converting your foreign currency profits, losses, and fees back into your account main currency. Then if you enter a short position on share CFD, you will be charged borrowing costs. And then when you trade spot commodity markets, you will either be credited or debited to offset the daily price adjustments. To make payments, you can use credit or debit cards and wire transfer, and your minimum deposit is $100. Forex.com Trading Academy is packed with lots of tutorials, trading courses for all levels of traders, lessons, live streams, and lots more. You can also check out their news and analysis for up-to-date research. Then to contact Forex.com, their live chats, toll-free phone number, email, or request form are all available for you. In summary, with all the details we have looked at, we can say that the best broker for beginners is Oanda. due to no minimum deposits, simple pricing structure, trading platforms like its proprietary platform, TradingView, and MetaTrader 4. The best broker for professional traders is Interactive Brokers and Forex.com. Interactive Brokers because of its advanced tools, advanced platforms, account options for different categories of traders, and their pricing structure. And then Forex.com because of advanced platforms like MetaTrader 5, raw pricing accounts, and minimum deposit of $100. And then finally, the best broker for technical traders is CMC Market. This is as a result of its proprietary platform that has the pattern recognition feature and advanced charting tools, raw spreads, and over 11,000 trading instruments. If you're trading Forex in Canada in 2026, your edge will not come from leverage. It will come with structure, cost awareness, and regulatory protection. Always verify that that broker you have chosen is CIRO regulated before you fund that account. Then understand your broker's fees and commission models before making any trade. And most importantly, choose a broker that fits your strategy, not one that's only markets lowest spreads. Now, if you want to choose correctly, don't just ask which broker is best. Ask these questions. What is my trading volume? Do I need advanced tools? Am I trading Forex only or multiple assets? And finally, do I prefer spread only or raw pricing and commission pricing? That's how you choose the broker that is best for you in Canada. I know this breakdown has helped you think more strategically about your broker's choice. So before you leave, make sure you subscribe to this channel because you do not want to miss our next review. Plus, you can check out our website at safeforexbrokers.com/ca. Like this video and drop your questions about any of the brokers we have reviewed or your experience about any of the brokers so far. We will respond to you. You might also find this video on the screen right now interesting. Until I come your way again, happy trading.